Alright everyone, welcome back to the Fix Zone. Today we're diving into a super useful trick, how to use your Apple TV as an extended display for your Mac. Before we jump in, quick heads up, both your Mac and your Apple TV need to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. Got it? Great. Okay, first things first, let's head up to the control center on your Mac. You'll find it in the top right-hand corner of your screen. Click on that. Now look for the screen mirroring option and click on it. A drop-down menu will pop up. In that drop-down, you should see your Apple TV listed. In my case, it's called Living Room, but yours might be something different. Select your Apple TV. Your screen might flicker or look a little weird for a second. That's just your Mac adjusting to match the resolution of your Apple TV. Don't worry, it's normal. Now here's the crucial part. We need to tell your Mac to use the Apple TV as an extended display, not just a mirrored one. So go back to the control center again, and back into the screen mirroring options. In the drop-down menu, underneath your Apple TV's name, you'll see an option that says, Use as Extended Display. Click on that. Give it a second to refresh, and boom! Your Apple TV is now acting as an extra monitor, just like you plugged it in with a cable. Since your Mac thinks the Apple TV is a regular external display, you can even rearrange them. Let's do that. Click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen, and then go to System Settings. In the System Settings window, look for Displays in the left-hand menu and click on it. You should now see two displays listed, your Mac's display and the Living Room display, or whatever your Apple TV is called. Right below that, you'll see an Arrange button. Click on that. Now you can drag and drop the displays to arrange them however you like. My MacBook screen is below my Apple TV, so I'm going to arrange them that way in the settings. Get them aligned how you want, and then click Done. You can now close out of System Settings. Now when you move your mouse to the top of your Mac screen, it should seamlessly transition onto the Apple TV display.
Cool, right?
When you're done using your Apple TV as an extended display, simply go back to the control center, back into screen mirroring, and then click on Disconnect next to your Apple TV's name. And that's it. Your Mac and Apple TV are back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to Fix Zone for more tips and tricks.